The action camera war has entered a completely new era. After years of incremental upgrades, DJI Osmo Action 6, launched in November 2025, and the GoPro Mission 1 Pro, arriving in 2026, are pushing the category in two different directions. DJI brings a compact adventure-focused camera with a variable aperture lens, long battery life, and smart shooting features. GoPro takes a more professional approach with interchangeable lenses and advanced audio capabilities. But bigger specifications do not always mean a better camera. In this video, we break down every major specification to find the true action camera champion. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro uses a larger body because it houses a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a micro 4/3 lens mount, and additional professional hardware. It measures approximately 80.1 by 52.1 by 44.3 millimeters and weighs around 207 grams, with battery and mounting fingers. In comparison, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is much smaller, measuring 71.5 by 45 by 33.5 millimeters and weighing approximately 152 grams. Both cameras have an IP68 rating, providing waterproof protection up to 20 meters without an external case, making them ideal for underwater shooting and outdoor activities. However, the DJI Action 6 is lighter and more compact, making it easier to mount on helmets and drones. Its design advantage makes it a more practical choice for everyday adventures. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, while the DJI Osmo Action 6 uses a 1 by 1.1-inch square sensor. Both sensors offer high-resolution capture, but the larger sensor on the Mission 1 Pro excels in low-light performance, dynamic range, and image quality. Its 1-inch size allows for better light capture and more shadow detail, enhancing footage in challenging conditions and providing more flexibility in color grading. Meanwhile, the Action 6's square sensor enables easy reframing for vertical and horizontal content without needing to rotate the camera. For social media creators, DJI's square sensor workflow is extremely useful. However, for filmmakers and professionals who prioritize maximum image quality, the larger sensor provides a clear advantage. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro introduces an industry-changing feature with a micro 4/3 interchangeable lens mount. This allows users to attach different lenses depending on their creative needs. Users can choose wide-angle lenses, anamorphic lenses, fast prime lenses, or specialty optics from manufacturers within the micro 4/3 ecosystem. The DJI Osmo Action 6 uses a fixed 14mm equivalent ultra-wide lens with a 155-degree field of view. However, DJI introduces something unique with its variable aperture system from f2 to f4. This allows the camera to adjust exposure without relying as heavily on ND filters, especially during bright outdoor shooting. The Mission 1 Pro offers far more creative flexibility, while the Action 6 provides better simplicity and convenience. The Mission 1 Pro can record 8K video up to 60 frames per second, along with 8K open gate 4:3, recording at 30, 25, 24 frames per second, and 4K, recording up to 240 frames per second. It also supports advanced slow motion recording, with up to 32 times slow motion through 1080, p480 frames per second, and 960 frames per second burst modes. The DJI Osmo Action 6 records 4K video up to 120 frames per second and supports 1080p, recording up to 240 frames per second. While this is more than enough for most action creators, it cannot match GoPro's higher frame rate options. The Mission 1 Pro also records at a maximum bitrate of 240 megabits per second, double the Action 6's 120 megabits per second bitrate. A higher bitrate preserves more details during fast movement, especially in scenes with trees, water, gravel, and complex textures. Here, GoPro delivers higher resolution, higher frame rates, and more professional recording flexibility. Action cameras depend heavily on stabilization, and both manufacturers provide advanced electronic stabilization systems. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro uses hypersmooth stabilization with 360-degree horizon lock, allowing the camera to maintain a level horizon even during rotation. The DJI Osmo Action 6 uses Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady, offering excellent stabilization for cycling, running, skiing, and handheld movement. Both systems are highly capable, but GoPro's Horizon Lock and advanced stabilization algorithms give creators more control during extreme movement. For photography, the Mission 1 Pro again has the advantage. It captures 50 megapixel photos with a resolution of 8,192 by 6,144 pixels, giving creators more detail for cropping and editing. The DJI Osmo Action 6 produces approximately 38 megapixel images, which is still impressive for an action camera, but falls behind GoPro's higher resolution output. The higher resolution sensor gives GoPro better photography capability. Audio is one area where GoPro clearly targets professional users. The Mission 1 Pro features a 4-microphone array with support for 24-bit PCM and 32-bit float RAW audio recording. This allows creators to capture wider dynamic range and recover audio levels during editing. The DJI Osmo Action 6 uses a 3-microphone stereo system with wind noise reduction. It delivers good audio for casual vlogging and outdoor recording, but lacks GoPro's professional recording flexibility. The 32-bit float audio capability makes GoPro the stronger choice for serious creators. Battery performance is where DJI fights back. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro uses a 2,150 mAh Enduro 2 battery, offering up to 3 hours of 4K at 30p recording and up to 5 hours at 1080p at 30p. The DJI Osmo Action 6 uses a 1,950 mAh Osmo Extreme Battery Plus and provides up to 4 hours of operating life. DJI also charges faster. DJI delivers faster charging and excellent endurance for long outdoor sessions. Thank you for tuning in. After comparing every major feature, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro takes the crown as the ultimate winner for creators who demand maximum image quality, professional controls, and future-ready performance. However, the DJI Osmo Action 6 remains the smarter choice for users who prioritize portability, battery life, and everyday adventure shooting. The winner depends on your workflow, but GoPro delivers the most powerful package overall. Which camera would you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments below.